Lightlift 17.75 Performance IIIS is a compact and efficient tracked aerial work platform, very practical to use, equipped with the most modern technology. All the 4 outriggers of the machine may be stabilised simultaneously and automatically with one button. The system preserves the possibility of stabilising single outriggers manually in case of particular obstacles. The new jib Performance allows working in every condition with 2 operators thanks to the generous 230 kg capacity in the basket. This useful feature increases the productivity, allowing the operator to carry out all the necessary tools in the basket, keeping the parameters load capacity versus machine's weight extremely safe. The all-new reinforced jib, matched to the strong articulated structure, guarantees a great up and over helping to cross many obstacles. With another button, the machine may be destabilised automatically. Hydraulic solutions have been added in order to have the possibility to carry out different movements at the same time. Furthermore, movement speed has been optimised and increased where possible. Thanks to the pantograph system, an excellent vertical trajectory can be obtained, allowing a simple and precise working flush with the wall with very quick movements, thanks to the new Performance hydraulic installations. The remote control of the Performance IIIS has a simplified interface. One joystick controls only one movement. A practical display provides the operator with important information. It features easy and comfortable controls such as self-stabilization, arm movements and translation. The RAM system permits a constant remote monitoring of the machine and remote diagnosis. The machine is equipped with a control on the inclination and decelerates automatically in extreme conditions to provide a bigger safety for the operator. The innovative traction system, Auto 2-Speed, allows you to reach a maximum speed of 3.5 km per hour for moving quickly from one place to another. This new affordable machine can reach those tight spaces that you can't reach with other lifts. It is available with different high-efficiency motorizations, petrol, diesel with an automatic RPM control, and with Hinowa lithium-ion systems with lithium battery pack. Among the new features, useful forklift forks housing for transport to minimise the loading and unloading times from the truck, hooks for lifting with a crane, proportional control on the remote, 17 metres working height, weight 2,230 kilos, length 4.5 metres, height less than 2 metres with discs mounted.